Hello viewers, welcome to our HTML session. Through this video, we are trying to help you to make understand about the usage of HTML. So, as you know, it is the age of the internet, and while working with internet, we encounter so many different types of web pages. Mostly, these web pages are constructed using HTML language along with other technologies as well. So we can say HTML is the basic building tool for making any kind of web pages. Question is it very difficult to learn? The answer is no, not at all. So here in this video, we will teach you what basically is HTML all about. So HTML basically stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And it is very simple and very effective. As already discussed, it is used to create and design some web page for any websites. Viewers, you have to make a very important note. Of course, there is a difference between these two terms, web page and website. Website basically refers a server which is kept on internet and always connected within internet. But that server can contain multiple documents. Each kind of documents can be referred as a separate web page. Now, for running HTML, what you require? You do not require a very sophisticated software. Instead, you require simple a kind of editor. It can be anything like Notepad, Notepad++, or people sometimes use Visual Code Editor or Eclipse. And of course, a latest version of browser should be available. As it is already written here, HTML can support various kinds of documents, whether it's an image, whether it's an audio, or whether it's a video. And of course, it is not a case-sensitive language. So moving to the next slide. Here is the detail. What are the required softwares to be present in your system? You can see that very simple softwares we can use any kind of editor, as already told, whether it is a Notepad or Notepad++. Even in while using demonstration, I will be using the Notepad++. But many people otherwise also use different kinds of editors like IntelliJ, Eclipse. Some people use Visual Code Editor. Somebody can use some other kinds of editors as well. However, point to be noted, even if we change the editor, our coding is not going to get changed. Same kind of coding will run everywhere, provided your coding is correct. And definitely HTML can run on any Windows-based operating system or Linux operating system or any macOS or any kind of operating system. And even we can see various web pages which are constructed by using HTML. You can run and display the output on your mobile apps as well. So now you can understand why HTML is so important. Today, without HTML, you cannot think of or making any kind of web page. Of course, I am saying that only HTML is not the only tool. Along with HTML, various other tools can be applied. But question is, When HTML was developed, so HTML was originally developed by a British professor. His name is Tim Berners-Lee, and it was introduced in the year 1993. However, people started using it since 1994. As far as current version is concerned, we always work, we are all working with currently HTML 5.0. That's the latest version. And that's why I'm saying your browser should be latest so that it can support all the latest features of HTML codes and their powerful features. So HTML5 is the latest version as of now. So that's the end of how you can use HTML and why HTML is so important. Hope you have liked the video, and for more such video, please stay connected with us. We will be coming up with more such similar series to educate you on HTML. Thank you.